Remove from box. Place on table. Open door. Remove the water pump pipe and tools from the machine. Water pump pipe. Monkey plier. Nut driver. Screwdriver. Now remove the canister from the machine. Remove sticker from canister. Apply the relevant sticker on the canister. Place on the table and fill the canister with powder. Make sure the canister is locked properly in both sections. Apply the relevant sticker on the buttons. Connect pipe on the back side. Insert pipe in the jar. Switch on the machine. Check the LED light for power on. The water level sensor will buzz until the tank is full. Once the tank is full, the heater will get on. In order to set the machine, open the door and set the gear motor speed of the respective canister. To increase the powder dosage, rotate clockwise, and to decrease the powder dosage, rotate it anti-clockwise. Wait till the heater light goes off and then take your selection. Now wait 5 minutes for the water to get heat. Once the temperature light gets off, set the powder. Push and hold the switch to make the selection. Enjoy your tea.